Tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a tornado warning for central St. Croix County until 10 p.m. At 9:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Star Prairie, or 21 miles north of River Falls, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail.
Oh, shit.
This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Baldwin and Hamlin around 9:55 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Washington County, western St. Croix County, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Somerset, or 21 miles north of River Falls, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Stillwater and Somerset around 9:40 p.m. Bayport around 9:45 p.m. Hudson and North Hudson around 9:50 p.m. Roberts around 9:55 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include River Falls. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage.